Hey everyone! Today is a huge day for AI enthusiasts and anyone who uses ChatGPT. OpenAI just released GPT-4o, the next generation of their powerful language model, and it's incredible. This is a game changer for creators, students, and anyone who wants to push the boundaries of what AI can do. GPT-4o is not just about text anymore. Here are some main points from OpenAI's live stream about the new features and advancement ChatGPT-4o. GPT-4o is introduced as the new flagship model. It promises to bring GPT-4 level intelligence to everyone, including free users. The desktop version of ChatGPT is being released, making it easier for users to access the platform. The UI has been refreshed to improve user experience and integration into workflows. Voice capabilities allow for real-time conversational speech with ChatGPT. Users can interrupt the model and experience minimal latency, improving the naturalness of interactions. ChatGPT can now interact with and interpret visual content, such as code, plots, and images. Users can receive insights and assistance based on visual inputs. ChatGPT now supports real-time translation, allowing for seamless communication across languages. Emotion detection from facial expressions enables ChatGPT to gauge users' emotional states. Users can receive help with mathematical problems, including solving equations and interpreting data. Enhanced quality and speed in 50 different languages aim for broader accessibility worldwide. ChatGPT-4o will be rolled out gradually over the next few weeks, with a focus on bringing advanced capabilities to all users. The model will be available for free users, with additional benefits for paid users, such as higher capacity limits. Developers can leverage ChatGPT-4o through the API, enabling them to build AI applications with improved speed and efficiency. Efforts are being made to address safety concerns associated with real-time audio and visual processing. Collaboration with various stakeholders is ongoing to ensure responsible deployment of the technology. Have more natural and engaging conversations with ChatGPT. Head over to OpenAI's website to learn more and try GPT-4o for yourself. Let me know in the comments what you think about this update and what you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching.